Hi, welcome to Rhonda Said. I'm Rhonda. I love saying things, and I'm feeling kind of fall and Halloween already. That's right. We start early in this house. We start doing Halloween the end of August, the beginning of September, and that's the way we like it. All right. So today we are going to be doing a look with a Morphe palette that is a combination. That's not what they call it. A collab. I'm going to get my YouTube card taken away. A collab with Mitchell and Morphe and some other chick that I don't remember her name, and it's not on the box. But this palette looks amazing. 24M, the main event. And we're going to be looking at it and doing swatches and a look. And look how beautiful it is. It's not, I mean, it's a lot like other Morphe palettes. It's not as big, because like it's not a 35 pan palette like they like to do. But it is a pretty big palette. We're going to be doing some bronzing. I've got my foundation, which is a Pure 4-in-1 Love Your Selfie foundation, or whatever it's called. Then I've got Tatcha Silk Canvas Liquid Primer. I've got Beauty Bakery powder on. And now I'm going to be using the Cheer Stars. I love this palette. And so I'm going to be bronzing up with Hoola. I just felt like doing a little bit more of a get ready with me than just an eyeshadow thing today. Why? Because I don't know, I just flipping felt like it. And this is a fancy top that I got from Stitch Fix. It's very pretty. I love it. A friend of mine had a offer where you sign up for Stitch Fix and you get $300 in credit to spend. And so far I've gotten a pair of shorts, a pair of jeans, and this really beautiful fall top. And I loves it. I'm going to use the Sugar Bomb blush in here also. Very pretty. Now for my highlighter, I'm going to get a little fancy. I got so many new highlighters. I'm going to use Star Surfer from Kaleidos. I haven't used this yet on camera. And it is beautiful. Look at that. Just like ice. And the highlighter always shows up better on my left side. Look at that. It's just gorgeous. A little down the nose. And the cats are playing in the windows, screwing up the blinds. But look at that highlight. It's just beautiful. It was $14. It's not too bad of a price for a highlight, and it's amazing. We're gonna get number 7 Radiant Results Wipe out to help with the swatches and cleaning up of the swatches. And I can't wait to do a look with this palette. It's beautiful. It's got some shimmers. It's got some sparkles. It's got a couple of glitters. So let's go across the top. There's 5 in each row, so let's let it roll. This first one is a very pale shimmer, and the chunky glitters in there. And that's the first row. There's the pale shimmer, the glitters, the shimmers. And we will see what we can do with this bad boy. I haven't seen a lot of people messing with this palette, but it is gorgeous. And I'm not a big Morphe person, but I like their collabs. And I like Mitchell. So that's pretty. Pretty, we're pretty vacant. Singing some Sex Pistols for you. Doesn't sound so naughty when I do it. Look at this. Got all the black in my hair now. Now, these four here, I think 2 of these are glitter. And shimmers. Ooh, look at that. Wow. Look at that. That is dazzling. That's pretty good, but that just, wow. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to put that in. It'll go with the gold color in my top. 2 more rows still. There's some greens in here, which I love. You know I love a green. Everything else is swatching really good. On the last row, and then we'll get into the look. And I appreciate you guys hanging out and spending time and watching me swatch. And there's the last bit there. And since this is a new shirt, let's not get makeup all over it just yet. I am certainly glittery now. Ooh, shiny. I don't mind being shiny. Oh, okay, good. I got that to fold back. So it's a little easier to work with here. I'm going to start with a crease color. And I'm going to go into Acoustic here. Oh, it's much darker. Very pigmented. Super pigmented, if you will. Looks like I just rubbed some dirt on my eyes. Very nice. Did not expect it to be so pigmented with a brush. But that's okay. It's just, we have plenty to work with here. But that's Acoustic, and it's very, very pigmented. Very excited about that. I think I'm going to go with some greens. I know, I love the greens. I'm going to go in with Greenfields, this matte. Oh, that's beautiful. Ooh, this palette is making me get, a lot of people talk about makeup boners. This is exciting. It's a lot of green. It's very pigmented. There's some fallout though. Fallout. But there's no kick up, so I'm not going to complain. I mean, I complain all the time. And I'm going to go with this mustard color on this yellow mustard color on the lid. This is interesting so far. Very mossy and mustardy. But don't worry, there's some plummy kind of reds in here that I can perk things up with, plus that amazing shimmer glitter thing. Let me go under my brow bone with Free Spirit, this shimmer up here. I got my bangs cut too the other day. I had the first swatch of black last week, and then I got the rest of the black and some Bang trim yesterday, so, or Monday for you. Whatever day it is for you now, it happened Monday. We're gonna blend this out. Oh, this is not wanting to blend. It's like set it and forget it. That does not want to move at all. Oh my God. What the fuck? What have I done? It is staying put. It's blending a little. It's getting a little softer, but it was scaring me for a second. And I'm not sure if I need glitter glue or not. I'm gonna go actually into the deeper, this is Act 1, this little deeper green. It's kind of a smoky olive. I've got to put some of that gold glitter on here, dudes and dudettes. I've got to. I'm gonna put some glitter glue, even though it looked pretty sticky. I'm definitely gonna have to do a revisit on this palette. Because this is not a look that I expected to be like this. It's pretty crazy. So now into the glitter with my fingertip. Oh yeah, that's giving it some life. Oh yeah. Oh, it's super pretty. What can I do to make this less dark though? I'm gonna go into this color Abbey. See if I can't lighten it up a bit. Well, it's a little shimmer to it. Softens it up a little more. This is crazy. Let's do some liners. Let's do some liners, ladies and gentlemen. My Too Faced Better Than Sex. Liner and brows, we'll save this. Some mascara. Some lashes would be great with this, but I don't know if I can pull the lashes off today. I've been on a lot of albuterol, and this is some Milk mascara. My right eye always looks so much better than my left eye. Got a lot of mascara in my crease. But that's what Q-tips are for. Isn't that right, kitty cat? It's Wolfie. Hi, Wolfie. I'm gonna throw that away. Let me get my Q-tip. You're such a good boy. It's dark and dazzling though. Let's do some browage. Where's my brow stuff? I can't find nothing. The cats have been knocking my stuff off the table, and it's been hard to find the things that I use. That is the Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner. Where the fuck is it? Here we go, Fluff and Fill. Woo! Try to get organized and it just never seems to pay off sometimes. When the kittens get up here and just start knocking stuff over. I love them so much. But it does make you a little crazy sometimes. Oh, it's so pretty. Now I need to do something really great for my lips. A pop of color, because it looks so good. My bangs are a little crazy. What color for my lips? I think we'll go into Family Jewels by Jeffree Star. It's very beautiful. It's a dark nude for some, a little bit of brown for me, but I think it looks delightful. So here we have it, a look with the 24M main event, and I will revisit this palette and do a brighter look than this. I love it. I think it turned out great. I hope you guys are having a great day. Day of your choice. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you real soon.